How to activate your Revolut account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can activate your Revolut account. Now if you just created a Revolut account and you don't know how you can activate it, so here is how you can do it. If you open up the application right now, I'll just be guiding you through. If you open up the application or if you have it into your browser and log into your account, if your account isn't activated, you will get the option activate account or verify account pop up there on your home page. If you don't get it, you can head into your profile and you can tap on personal details option, and there you'll be able to see the verify account or verify your personal details option. You want to simply tap on it and add in your personal details, whatever it asks for, and prompt through the steps. Once you do so, your account will be activated after a while after you verify the information that you have submitted. Make sure that you use legit information and make sure you add in the information correctly in order to make sure your account will be get activated without any errors. So this way you can activate your Revolut account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.